No more. I don't want to go down no more. Come on. That shit hurts, man.
Watch your mouth.
Dude, that was salty.
Yeah.
You gotta be getting tired, your arms.
Don't let me eat foot.
You ain't eating nobody's. Are you tired now?
No.
You're tired, I know you are.
Get him, Bubba.
What'd you do, get a second wind? You got a second wind?
Get him.
How are you going down?
I don't want to go down.
No. You got down. Oh, I'm not going down yet. Hey, Mom, he's down.
Did you get him?
Yep.
Good job, game 5.
Cheese.
Say I love you.
Love you.